And special thanks to this company for sending us their infrared therapy face treatment. Inside of this little box is this very nice packaging in this case. And inside this nice non-branded pouch, the zipper. You can open this up. Here is everything that comes inside of here. So, as you can see, this is for 2-in-1 cold sore light therapy. Thanks to this company. Little instruction booklet kind of tells you everything that's in here, and that's what we have. This is a precision tip that is able to direct the light to a specific spot. These are the 2 rechargeable batteries. Love the green color. These are the battery chargers, so you're able to easily put your battery in this, plug it in with a USB, and charge it up. These are your protective glasses. You would wear these while using the light therapy device. This is, of course, a little wrist strap or hanging cord, little cleaning cloth, and then lastly, the actual light therapy device, besides the carrying case, of course. So essentially, the light's right here. You're able to take this off to screw this one on if you wanted to, like so. Got your little button, and then the bottom, and then you take this part off to put your batteries in. And that is an unboxing of this 2-in-1 cold sore light therapy device. Thanks again to this company for sending it to me. Thank you all for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Deuces.